Okay, class, I am back for a final look at the new shoe simulation for this presentation anyway. So here we are in the new shoe simulation. You may be wondering, where is the simulation? So good question. I wondered the same thing my very first time visiting this website. In order to access the simulation, you will want to click on the Simulation tab and then click Launch Team Simulation. I'm actually shrinking it so you can actually see the entire simulation. Okay, so you should be able to see my entire screen now. So once you click on the Launch Team Simulation, the simulation will open in a new tab. You will see a briefing of the case, as well as information about the markets. So here we are. And when I say briefing, here's the case briefing. Tells you a little bit about the case, and then it tells you obviously to read the case, which is 14 pages to get the entire case. Here's information about the markets. We talked about that earlier, the home market, the domestic, and the foreign, so you understand how each of those works, which is very important. And then your startup decision. The very first decision you will have to make is to name your company. You can see here my company name is Morel. It's not creative, but I want you to get creative with your company name. And once you've decided upon a name, you will enter it there. And you will also have the opportunity to upload the logo as well as the company ad. And I believe, those are vital as well. Okay. And then for each phase of the simulation, you will have to enter decisions based on product development, the contractor, marketing, marketing research, creative design, etc. Now you can see I entered my logo using PhotoBucket, and there's information that's been uploaded to assist you with that. And I also entered my company ad. Again, get creative on both of those. I just shared some information so you can see where it will show up in the simulation. So this week I recommend that you just play around with the simulation, familiarize yourself with it. You don't have to complete any task for a few weeks. So I want you to really play, access, get familiar. If you have any questions, let me know so that I can assist you. But the best way to be successful in completing the simulation requirements for this class is to take the time to play around with it for the first couple of weeks. Then you kind of know what you're doing. And when it's time for you to make a decision, you'll be like, where am I going? What am I doing? No, you've already been in the simulation. You've played with it. And you have a grasp of everything. So we are in the simulation now. Each week you're going to be making these vital decisions for your company. You know, are you going to move forward? Are you going to make changes to the ad? Are you going to make changes to your marketing approach? So it's going to be fun, and you can see what real companies have to go through. And when you're ready to log out, you just simply click log out. Okay, and then you are logged out of the new shoe simulation. So again, thank you so much. Please play around with this. You have about 3 weeks, maybe 4, to play around with it. So take those 3 weeks to play around, familiarize yourself, start working on your company name, your logo, as well as the intro ad. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.